Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to master your desktop by hiding or unhiding your taskbar on Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are putting it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to your PC work environment right here, right click on it, and then make sure you come to personalization. The next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to taskbar right here. Then right here, you have automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode, which is off. So if you want to hide your taskbar from the bottom right here, you don't want your taskbar in the bottom right here to be displayed, make sure you turn on this particular button. Once you turn the button on, you can see your taskbar has been hidden. If you want to enable it back, you want your taskbar to be shown, simply turn off this particular button. It's as simple as that. It's a matter of turn on and off. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply hide or unhide your taskbar in your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.